Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a car that merges timeless design with modern engineering, an icon reborn for a new generation. This is the 2025 Karmann Ghia, a name that stirs nostalgia for vintage car lovers, now brought back with a fresh perspective, combining retro flair with 21st century innovation. If you're someone who appreciates heritage with a tech-savvy twist, this might just be the car you've been waiting for. Let's begin with what immediately catches the eye, the exterior. The 2025 Karmann Ghia doesn't try to hide its lineage, it embraces it. At the front, you're greeted with a clean, elegant grille that pays homage to the original curves of the 60s model, flanked by slim LED headlights that stretch outward like an artist's brushstroke. The front bumper remains sleek and low-slung, giving the car an aerodynamic, almost feline stance. There's a tasteful mix of chrome trim and matte finishes, striking the perfect balance between vintage and contemporary. As we move along the side profile, you'll notice the hallmark silhouette hasn't been tampered with. That classic teardrop roofline remains intact, flowing effortlessly from the A-pillar down to the rear wheel arch. The flush door handles, frameless windows, and subtle character lines all enhance the sense of fluid motion, even when the car is standing still. The designers have nailed the proportions, low to the ground, slightly wide, yet agile looking. Optional 19-inch turbine wheels add a bit of aggression without disrupting the car's grace. Swinging around to the rear, the tribute to its roots continues. The rear maintains the soft oval shape reminiscent of the classic model, but here it's enhanced with modern lighting. A single LED light bar stretches across the back, seamlessly integrated into the gently tapered tailgate. The dual exhaust tips are subtly tucked below, and there's a digital Karmann Ghia badge that lights up when you unlock the car, a slick modern touch. The rear hatch opens up to reveal a surprisingly generous cargo area for a two-door coupe, showing that practicality wasn't entirely sacrificed for style. Stepping inside, you're immediately wrapped in a cabin that feels premium, personal, and purposefully designed. The 2025 Ghia's interior is minimalist without feeling sparse. Soft leather seats with diamond stitching echo a handcrafted feel, and the dashboard is a curved, flowing panel that wraps around the front occupants like a cockpit. There's a dual-screen layout, one behind the steering wheel for driving information, and a center-mounted 12.5-inch infotainment display that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials are impressive across the board. Brushed aluminum trims, soft-touch dash elements, and optional real wood inlays all create an atmosphere of timeless sophistication. The steering wheel is a two-spoke design, another callback to the original, but it's loaded with haptic feedback controls that are responsive and intuitive. Ambient lighting runs subtly through the doors and center console, customizable in dozens of colors to suit your mood. Now let's talk about what powers this beauty. The 2025 Karmann Ghia comes in both hybrid and full electric configurations. The base hybrid model pairs a turbocharged 1.6L engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined 215 horsepower. It's smooth, responsive, and great for daily driving. But the real star is the full EV variant, which offers up to 320 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of just 5.2 seconds. Thanks to its lightweight aluminum chassis and low center of gravity, the EV version handles like a dream, tight in corners, planted at high speeds, and whisper quiet on city streets. Regenerative braking in multiple drive modes let you tune the experience, from relaxed cruising to sporty corner carving. Range-wise, the EV model gets up to 310 miles on a full charge, with fast charging capability bringing you from 10% to 80% in about 28 minutes using a level 3 charger. As for pricing, the 2025 Karmann Ghia starts at around $37,000 for the base hybrid model. The fully electric variant will set you back closer to $46,000, with a premium trim that tops out around $52,000 once you add extras like a panoramic roof, upgraded audio system, and the adaptive suspension package. For what you get in terms of heritage styling, modern tech, and overall performance, it's competitively priced within the premium compact coupe segment. If you're considering the 2025 Karmann Ghia, here's a quick bit of advice. If you're into traditional driving and want a balance of fuel efficiency and range, the hybrid is an excellent choice. But if you're stepping into the EV world and want something that makes a statement while being practical, the electric version is well worth the investment. It's not just a car, it's a conversation starter, a piece of rolling art with engineering that backs up the style. So, is the 2025 Karmann Ghia worth it? Absolutely. It brings something unique to the market: emotion. In an era where many cars are starting to look and feel the same, this one dares to be different. It's not trying to dominate the spec sheet or win every drag race, it's here to win hearts. And from the way it looks, drives, and feels, it might just do exactly that. Thanks for sticking around for this deep dive. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you go for the hybrid or EV version of the new Ghia? Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.